Okay, we're coming out of the little ice age. Pond is still frozen, but it's starting to thaw out over there in the back. Last 3 days we have not got above freezing. So this first day I got the shop warming up and done work on the Ramcharger here. So got brake stuff out. Let me get you set up on the tripod here and I'll show you what we got. Alright, them brakes. So I bought the extra kit not knowing that the calipers, both calipers come with their kit, right? And the Power Start brakes come with a kit. So I got plenty of kits. The Power Start brakes one don't come with the banjo fitting for the brake hose, but I mean that's understandable. So that's what we got there with the part store brakes from AutoZone. Does come with a grease with these brake pads, and this is what we're looking at, just the Power Stop Evolution where we get the Z23s. So if I want to go through the trouble putting brake pads on, I want something a little better than stock, right? This is what we got. I'm getting a caliper on, and I'm going to be getting these brake pads on. Set up over there. Like I said, getting warm finally. But that's what we're doing today. Okay, putting the caliper on. I'm just fit checking it because there is a left and a right side. To figure out the difference is you see where your brake hose goes in there, right? I bet that sounded real good. So this, the Dodge one just kind of, there's a lip on the caliper bracket there. See that my brake hose will go right there. The other side, it's pretty much the same thing, but the brake hose where it is comes out. This right here, the mold is flipped, so it'll come out on the bottom and it won't reach. So that's one bit in there. That looks pretty good. So got the correct side, and I'm gonna get the grease I found somewhere off my hand. Make sure all my hoses are clean. I'm gonna go ahead and get the pans on there, get that on, and then I will put the brake hose on once the pans and everything's on there. It's easy enough to reach, so I'll do it like that instead of trying to fight with the brake hose while I'm trying to put the pads on. Okay, so the trick on putting brakes on, I think Dodge, all of them kind of like that, is you put the back one in by itself, not in the caliper. And on the Dodge, it has the rails it sits on. Get that up nice and flush up against the rotor. And then the other one you load in there. Now that grease that they gave me, they only gave enough to do one pad. So they are stingy on that. So anyways, that will help it stick on there. I just use, you know, a good old trusty Anna-Sees. Almost done with this container. Got me a new one sitting over there. But I put that over the back of that, and anywhere where it's going to rub, that's where you want that to have Anna-Sees, or that whatever stuff they got, probably a fancy Anna-Sees. But that's it. Now I'm ready to put my package stuff on there. Like I said, I'm just using the one to come with the calipers. Trying to get it open without shooting it all over the floor. There we go. Got her little hooyahs. Digging it out. Maybe. Sort of. Come here. Last one. Alright. So these little hooyah brackets right here, they go on that way. The little dots go up. Then we have our, I guess, anti-rattle or whatever is what that is, goes on there. Whew. Dust little Anna-Sees on that bolt. Ain't gonna hurt nothing, because you definitely do not want to be breaking these things off inside your spindle. or caliper bracket, that does not make for a fun day. All right, and then that this little huyan just holds that in place. Okay, banjo bolt, copper washer each side. Make sure it ain't dirty. This is real fun when there's a fender in the way. That's why I'm trying to do everything before I start putting fenders and everything on. And then that's it. I just got it loose right now. It's still real cold in here, so that I haven't torqued my bolts down on the bracket yet. I'm gonna wait for a good warm day before I do that, and I'll get the torque wrench out. It don't take very much to break those off. Yeah, I know it does not take very much because I've done that before. That's how I know when they break off, it's not fun to get those dug out. But anyway, yeah, that's one side. I'm just going to, like I said, once it gets warm, I'll come back and retorque that. But I got the other side to do, and, well, I got tie rods to do, honestly.